Namaste. Welcome to the 21 Days Meditation Challenge. We acknowledge you for taking on this challenge. I'm here to guide you through, so let's begin. You have been sent a message on the Telegram group with all the links and documents required for you to successfully complete the 21 DMC. First things first, download the document named 21 DMC Manual. It is necessary to get a printout of the manual to keep a track of your intention, moods, insights, and your overall day so you can look back and see the progress you have made over the 21 days. Along with the day tracker, each day has a small activity to indulge in to enhance your experience. Now, before you begin with your very first meditation, click on the 21 DMC Milestones link to sign up for the challenge. Signing up will officially commence your journey. As you can see, the challenge is broken down into 3 milestones. Every 7 days of the 21 DMC, a milestone gets completed and you can tick off the milestone so you can move to the next one. The method of meditation we will be using during the 21 days is called Omkar Sadhana. It is a simple practice of chanting Om and focusing awareness on the sound to go into deeper states of consciousness. The meditation is guided, so click on this link and you will be directed to the 21 DMC meditation video. During the challenge, keep in mind to meditate twice a day, once in the morning and once in the evening. You can pick your timings as per your daily routine. Make sure to send a message on the Telegram group once you've completed the meditation. Take some time out to fill up your daily tracker. It helps to have those around you hold you accountable for your challenge. It empowers you to stay consistent with your practice. So post about your 21 DMC on your Instagram, tag us and support your fellow meditators by liking and commenting on their posts. You will receive the acknowledgement of completing the challenge only when you signed in and filled up your milestones completion form. This is to keep a track of the participants who have successfully completed the challenge and to offer rewards like discounts for upcoming events, a certificate of completion, a special gift, and most importantly, your name and photo displayed on the Hall of Fame. And that's about everything you need to know about the challenge. For any queries, you can message on the Telegram group or personally reach out to us. We are here to connect and support you. We at Unalome Project are dedicated to empowering individuals through our programs. You can find us on Instagram, Facebook, or on our website, unalomeproject.com. Remember to be mindful of your journey. This is a commitment to yourself. Team Unalome wishes you a blissful journey into establishing your true self. Namaste.